Before gods, before kings, there was a woman they tried to erase. But her fire never died. They called her the Bone Witch. But that wasn't her name. Her real name was buried with the last person who dared to speak it. She wasn't born like the others. No wailing, no crying, only silence, and blood on the ground that refused to dry. They say the earth turned red that day, and never faded. She grew fast, too fast. She listened to the bones, and they answered. Animals came to her. Fire obeyed her. Storms paused, just long enough for her to walk through. Some feared her, others worshipped her, but none understood her, until the chief's son died. A fever that burned through his skin. She tried to save him, but the gods had made their choice. The tribe blamed her, said her touch had cursed the boy, said her bones whispered to death. That night they came for her, not with spears, but with torches. They didn't kill her, they feared what would return. So they exiled her, far past the red hills, where no one returned. She walked barefoot into the dark, carrying only one thing. A skull, cracked, old, sacred. It was not human. For years, no one saw her. But the land changed. The rains stopped. The animals left. Children died in their sleep. Then one morning, a fire appeared on the mountain. Black smoke, red sky. She had returned. Older, quieter, but with eyes that didn't blink. She spoke to no one. But the wind howled when she walked. She placed bones around the village, formed in circles, symbols. The elders begged her to stop, but the younger ones followed her. She taught them how to listen, not to words, but to earth, to ash, to silence. Then one night she vanished again. Only her skull remained, split in half, one side buried, the other left in the fire. Now no one speaks her name, but when the storms come too early, when bones appear in strange shapes, when the ground turns red, they say it's her, walking still, not for revenge, not for worship, but to remind them that the one they cast out was the only one who ever knew how to read the bones. If her fire still burns in your mind, like the video, subscribe to keep her name alive, because some stories refuse to be buried.